Hi everyone, welcome to Pop's Delicacies, and today we will be preparing morning glory flash fry, also known as kangkung, and we call it kolmi shak in Bengali. So you can see this is my kolmi shak or morning glory. I have cut it into small pieces. If you want, you can finely chop it as well, but I prefer it like this. For flash fry it's really good. I like to see little bit of leaf, little bit of stem here and there, so that's the reason I have cut in this length. I'm showing you the length that I have cut. Make sure that you clean it up very nicely. Keep it under running water for 3 to 4 minutes, and here is the length. So I'm trying to show you that it's length of my finger, 2 to 3 centimeters depending on how you want it. Now I'm going to add green chilies. These are the fat green chilies, the longer ones, which are little fruity in nature, not very spicy. So it's available in the market. In case you do not find, you can use the smaller chilies as well. And obviously the heat preference, if you want it to be hot, you can use more chilies. I have used milder chilies over here. Now this is my finely chopped garlic. Do not use paste. Try to chop garlic finely and then add chilies. Now I have used 2 chilies over here. You can change it according to your preference. Adding the garlic pieces. The quantities are mentioned in the description box. Have a look. Now I'm adding oyster sauce. And soy sauce. Now once all these ingredients are in the bowl, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix it well, and after that just leave it for 5 to 10 minutes till your wok is getting hot. And that 5 to 10 minutes is quite enough for this kangkung or kolmi or morning glory to get marinate quite well, because it's veggie, quite soft in nature. Now you can see my wok, it's hot. I have poured 2 teaspoon oil and I'm checking the heat. It should be on high flame. The entire cooking must be done on high flame. I'm adding the entire kangkung along with all the sauces, garlic and chili. Now guys, chilies, you can also use Thai red chilies if you find them in your market. Just gives another spark of color, green and red. Now mix it like this on high flame. Within a few minutes you will see that the greens have started to wilt. It will become soft, and I'll just give a piece of suggestion that do not use if the leaves are fibrous in nature. Please pick good quality morning glory, soft and nice, fresh, vibrantly green. And while you're breaking the stems, if you feel that it's hard and fibrous, do not use them. So we have mixed it. I'm adding a little bit of salt. Now adding salt is up to you. If you feel that the sauces are quite salty for you, you don't need to add salt. You don't have to. I just checked the taste and I felt I need to add a little bit more salt. And I'm adding a pinch of sugar, like 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Sugar is going to balance all the sauces. 100 ml water. Now this 100 ml water that I just added, it's because I want little bit of sauce at the bottom of my morning glory. If you don't want that, you can skip it as well. Now you can see everything has got wilted, soft. The greens are completely cooked, and this is how it looks like when we dish it out. You can have it with steamed rice, veg fried rice, and it tastes amazing. I hope you have liked the recipe, and you let me know in the comment section how it turned out once you cook it at home. And to the new viewers, subscribe my channel for more such interesting recipes. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Have a good day.